Honey, are you okay?
We are a family. We need to start acting like it. Okay, sweetie. You're okay. You're okay. Hey. Look at me for just a second. Are you okay? Do you feel dizzy? Oh, let me just check. Okay, baby girl. You're okay. We just need to start calming down.
Are you hungry? Do you need anything? Are you dizzy? How do you feel?
Just stop pestering her with questions. She's a young woman, not a puzzle for you to solve. Let her be. Tea. I'll make some tea. Would you like some tea, sweetie? Of course you would.
You know, this is why we don't watch all that violent TV.
You mean news? Nothing but liars, telling nothing but lies. Never mind the violence, your father's right. Negative energy was never good for this family. And you shouldn't get all angry and hyped up like that, honey. A fall like that can be so dangerous. You've got to be more careful.
I just want to know what's going on. I just want to live, to be normal. I miss dancing. It's not my fault you're both so terrified of reality.
You make it so difficult.
You make it fucking impossible. Thirsty.
Oh God, get the kit. Hurry, where is it?
I don't know.
It's okay, my beautiful girl, you're okay. Some little wounds bleed more than others. Everything's fine. See? I think we need to color your hair. It's fading a little bit. And we can't have that now, can we? You always took very good care of your hair, just like your mother.
I didn't want to change it.
Nonsense! You practically begged me. I'm happy to do it. And I know it will help you with the issues you've been having.
I think I need to go to the hospital.
I understand you're anxious. It's okay. Your mom's a trained nurse and I served 2 tours. We know a paper cut when we see one. Everything is gonna be just fine.
You do seem anxious, sweetie. It's okay. Anxiety's your friend. You put your arm around it and brace it, and I'd be anxious the day it goes away. Go get the tea. I'll go and get the color tomorrow, and I'll pick up some of those chocolate candies with the strawberry jelly inside.
Why are you doing this?
Because we love you.
Is that why you pushed me?
In this house, young lady, we have rules about lies.
This house is made of lies.
Don't speak to your mother and father like that. You are my daughter. You take that back.
I am not your daughter. No matter how much you try to hide, to live in your little world, we are not a family.
Why don't you?